Hello everyone and welcome to Flavorful Cooking. Today I'll be showing you how to make beef tikka. For this recipe you would need 2.5 pounds of beef filet mignon cut into cubes, 1/4 cup oil, 2 teaspoons ginger, 2 teaspoons garlic, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon coarsely ground black peppercorn, and 1/4 teaspoons of salt. Marinate the beef by first adding oil, ginger, garlic, red chili flakes, coarsely ground black peppercorn, salt, coriander powder, and chili powder. Mix together, then add the beef and mix together. After mixing well, refrigerate overnight. "30 minutes before grilling, add the beef on the skewers. If you are using bamboo sticks, soak them in water for about an hour before grilling, otherwise they will burn when placed on the grill. Next, place on the grill and grill on a medium flame until meat is cooked all the way through. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.